Aizawl International Half Marathon som le pali INRINNIAH kan nei tura tisat launch le press conference kan nei dona chu tisat hi min launch turing kan home minister kan soma chuan chuanin ama office chambara he press conference kan han ko ta nia chuan ngatinge helaya te de kan ti de pokha kan lo zo de mai theya in chuba ka chuan when I hian hel he press conference kan nei rual hian eng mo kan hriat tur poimo mi pui hne na min puan zar sak tura kan du cheu kha om boka chung te chu kan sei ho do na poni se kan kal chanang hian Aizawl International Half Marathon point ni na atana kan tisan min tlangzarh turin kan home minister okay Sapdanga'n ilo sok sa photang
ne tun tha ni som palia hian Aizawl International Half Marathon voi ni na dona chumeta na ti sa chu long takin kan tlangzarh
kan chun som le char mai nga Aizawl International Half Marathon. This is the second edition. The first edition was held last year in the month of April. We are very happy with the turnout. We are expecting a much bigger turnout this time. As a promotion for the event and also promotion of Mizoram, we held two press conferences, one in Delhi in last October, and the other one, the second one was in Guwahati last month, that was in January. We have got a tremendous reception from the press fraternity of both the cities. And this is the first time that we are having it here for this edition of the press conference, even though I had my press briefing about this event while I was doing another press conference the other day. So today we have, I will give a round of introduction. In hmeichhia nei phutang o hela mai hianin pudolian boy he can join secretary ania din hemi tan kan nodal officer ania wilal duki masailo he Athletic Association of Mizoram kan president le Mizoram Sports Intel Compol United Sport Association of Mizoram kan president bukania kamilo mai hian pulal sang le na oma puvilal sang le na IS ani hi Commissioner Sports and Youth Services Department. And next is Captain Rahul Bali, who is the MD of Innovations India. He is the curator of Aizawl International Half Marathon. And Sports Department I can Director Pu Lalnghinglova Hmar. Aizawl International Half Marathon lo chuadan le akal phunga hi toite kan soyanga. Sports and Youth Services Department le Innovations India Trangkop ina kan buat saya ni ah. Ingting ay Trangkop theih ti kha o tin Athletic Association of Mizoram nen. Ingting ay chu alo kal khop theih ti lai kha. Etle ma kan in thrill fia de lo chuanen sports hianen. Inge mo marathon chungchang a hian event lian deuh hlek nei hi kan duwa. Chu kan kalpui me kan ya. Amai ro chu when I hian keini so chuanin kan ti theilo wangin thil lian tham nam dangte ram dangte atanga hetiang timi te ko lu kan du wangin Innovations India hianin partnership nei kan sum nei ang te kan chung lu ta kan posei nei za te poi zep tu rom lo kan nei tle mang reng khopan noi som pangale GST chok kan nei a prize money po dai chi alo ni ti chuan an ni lam hianin sponsorship le partnership te zongin ten transfer registration the trang te pon ania he event hi kalpui kan tum chhota a hemi tan hian thopui te po kan nei a ti hian ruam man na kan siam chhota zelani poni se voina hianin kan thlen to chin te engting e kan kalpui zel dan ti te hi kan han soyanga china soyang khan April ni som ni le paruka khanin nikuma kan nei to a Athletic Federation of India pompui ania Athletic Federation of India pompui tur hira hau ta khomaya tu do zang ne hagan sen kha nu ngoi nga chuang
cheng ngoi ngan chuang ani on GST nan chun ngoi luk don
chu Athletic Federation na India lu na ngot po hi ni ta kan sum le pa ya tlem thama mai ro chu lian takati gan du chia thei top kan han chua kuminah hian February ni som le pali sang ni som ni le parupa kan nei do na ni ti chuan khang zong zong kha ka nakina enge ni ani dan ti te kan soi fi anga chun chu mizo chuan in captain Rahul Bali ka so manga. I'll just give a brief introduction of what this is all about. Then after that I'll request Captain Rahul Bali to brief the press about the event. Kan ti dan tu chu kan hriat to angin half marathon hi 2 kilometers som ni le pakhat point pakhat ania chu Rajiv Gandhi Stadium atang kan tlan chananga so ta silai mualama kan kalanga chun kan ule lenga stadium an lu tanga chuan Mipa le hmeichhia in elna ni tin open race a oma kilometers so mania Mipa le hmeichhia an tlan thei boka fun race a om boka chu kilometer nga he ta ki thren khatin kan lo hrelowa junior le senior tan chawe mo kan ti deu fun race ni lawin ni kuma po ke boka tlan ani fun race aiin mi thanem takan tlana kilometer nga tlana nia Mipa le hmeichhia chuan junior kumsom atanga kumsom le panga kilometer nga intlansiak omang hmeichhia le Mipa ni kuma Mipa chau kan lo tia hmeichhia kha an lo tlan vea Mipan thlau dewa an lo lung oi lo le mai kan thiam lo ania kuminah chuan hmeichhia no pang le Mipa no pang kumnga tangin kumnga ai no pang chu tel lo sa akti bal kumsom atangin kumsom atang kumsom panga kumsom ai no pang chu kilometer nga ni wangin la tel lo se tiania tin senior veteran hi kilometer nga bok kumsom ruk chunglam adu apiang tan ania a intlansiak chiam lo point au wak kheng hrim tur point kilometer nga ye marathon event a tel theu tur hian kan so mani a registration fee chu kan hriat angin cheng zari som ko le pakwania junior tan cheng zali som ko le pakwania junior tan hian in junior le senior tan cheng zali som ko le pakwania hei hi lam muala in zialuna hona ni dona February ni som le patni le ni som le pathuma lam muala a registration offline registration ania tin ya tel tu zong zong tan kham bip collection mo atilaya kan korma kan tar le thil nang ho kha e registration ti zong zong tan ni som patni le ni som pathuma lam muala e bip collection kha nei tur ania heti rual hiam junior le senior tan registration ati thei bok don ani tun china hian nakin aron soi chianga a foreign runner hi Kenya Ethiopia Bahrain etc tinia ron sei chiang se thome mi som ni chuang lo lu turin an ron tifel towa PAP protected area permit hi kan MUALPUI me ka chumi chu fel chuanin hemi engemaw zat an om dona tin hemi chim tur hian asama tangin journalist so bor ven an local don boka kan press mi tenen po thadawin lo in comment lo ti howula kan dua he kan event mai ba ga hianin Mizoram chungchang tourism le thil danga min cover dona chuan NCC nen kan thok ho boka we partner with NCC for this event that Captain Rahul Bali will further elaborate this the chuan lawmman hi from om lakin asia kin kampe mai don chewa website a khan om boka chu wangin ka share to lo wanga aw kan ngai poi mo chu participants gathering hi zingdar nga le chan ve ani a journalist bo kan som vek chu nia zingdar nga le chan ve INRINNIAH ani anga ti chuan warming up te khaum dona daruka ani anga kan chief guest min flag off saktu tur hi governor General VK Singh ania ani hian min flag off sakdona ti chuan ain dotin ni kuma kan hriat tong khan voi khata tlan huk lowin half marathon 21.1 an tlan masa beranga 10 kilometer in an dotanga 5 in an dotanga chuan chumi zo hengami zongzong tan hem breakfast te omanga cultural performance mozai thiam te ne e hmunah kulai Rajiv Gandhi Stadium bula khuanin kan om khom le anga chuan prize distribution nen hin kan bang dona chung te chu zing kar adar som chovela chuanin kan ti fel thei tura kan nga ya imponi se when I hian a press meet the polo tlan vek turin kan som chewa tin chuba ka ni china kan puan chu ho te khami puin hena min puan zar sak turin kan som bok cheu ani now I will request Captain Rahul Bali to brief the press about the event, please.
Good morning, everyone. It's a big pleasure to be here sitting in the Honorable Home Minister's office along with the Honorable Sports Minister and the senior officials of the government of Mizoram. And I am extremely privileged to be the curator of the second edition of this mega event called the Aizawl International Half Marathon. As the Honorable Sports and Tourism Minister has already briefed you a lot, I will not take much time. I'll just give you a little more things which I would want you to understand. One of the most important things is that I would request all of you to kindly tell everyone that the online registration for this marathon is going to get over by 6 p.m. today. So everyone who has to register online should do it before 6 p.m. But the offline registration, which will be done at Lamwal from tomorrow and day after, that is the 12th and the 13th, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening. So you can please, tell this, put it through your media houses, put your publications. Please inform everyone that although the online registration is going to get over, the offline is still on. All those people who have not been able to do it, please come to Lamwal and be part of this great event. Number two, I would also like to here announce something very special. We have got a huge amount of prizes for the runners, for the winners, and especially for 21.1 kilometer half marathon. But we also have a very, very good prize which will be given by lucky draw, and this will be eligible only for those people who are not running 21.1. Means the 10 kilometer open race, the 5 kilometer open race, the 5 kilometer junior race, and the 5 kilometer senior race are eligible for this lucky draw, which will win return tickets from Delhi / Mumbai / Hyderabad or Bangalore, wherever you choose, to Vietnam and back. Now this is a special thing done because Vietnam Airlines is one of our partners. This is a special gift from their side. So two lucky, because it's on Valentine's Day. So we want a special gift on the Valentine's Day for the people of Aizawl. We will have a lucky draw. We will request the Honorable Governor to take out the lucky draw tomorrow, on Sunday after the race. Also, please tell everyone that the lucky draw will happen at the end, and if the lucky draw winner is not there, he has left, his prize will not be given to him. We'll take another lucky draw. So everyone should stay there. It should not happen that you won and still not won. So I will request everyone to stay there till the end. We are having a lot of fun and frolic. We are going to have cultural programs. We are going to have music apart from the run. So this is a special thing that we have done on the Valentine's Day. Other than this, I am very excited to tell you that this time, in spite of the PFP permit, we've got more than 25 international runners who are participating. I would also like to tell, sir, today morning there are two people, one from England and one from France. They have also joined in. So we have got a big gambit people from obviously Ethiopia, Kenya, they are coming, but Bahrain, the United Kingdom, France, Nepal. We've got some good runners coming in from Nepal. So there's going to be a mix. Although the big runners from India are also coming, I think we have covered one of the major states: Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh. Even I have got calls coming from Kashmir. There are a couple of runners coming in from Kashmir as well. So seeing the rise of this response and rise and reception of this marathon, I was discussing with the Honorable Sports Minister that next year I think we will have to have a different category for international runners, because a lot of Indian runners did say that we will not be able to compete with them. If they come, they will win. So this year, of course, we cannot do, because we got a very good response. So next year onwards, we are going to actually have a different category for the foreign runners. But like the last meeting, the Honorable Sports Minister has said, it is always good to compete with the best. Even if you don't win, but at least you will be competing with the best in the world. So having said that, I am very happy once again for all of you. I want to give my gratitude and thanks to all of you for coming at this short notice, and a very special thanks to the Honorable Home Minister to have agreed to launch this T-shirt and just spread this message. We want more and more participation. We already crossed about 2,000 participation is already there, which is very, very heartening to know. But we expect that in next 3 days we should cross another 1,000. So let's see. May God be with us. God bless you all. Thank you.
Why don't you elaborate the partnership with NCC?
This year also we've got some very good partners. One of the major partners is NCC. NCC is, as you know, is the backbone of India as far as the youth is concerned. They are not a partner only on the paper. They have really contributed a lot in terms of organizing. They are the organizing partner of this marathon. A huge amount of number of NCC cadets are participating, and a huge number of NCC cadets are going to be the volunteers of this particular race, this particular event. And very, very special thanks to the Director General of NCC, General Varinder Vats, who is also one of the patrons. He was supposed to come and run himself, but unfortunately last minute programs at the highest level, he has to go out of the country. Otherwise, and he sends his special wishes for people, and he has said that next edition he will surely be there. But to represent him, we have the group commander, Brigadier G.S. Arora, who has been a pillar of strength for us, right from small little things to the bigger ones. He's always been there to help us. And the only thing is that the sports minister had requested he should run, but I don't know why he's not running. I'm running away. That will not let you do. In addition to this, we also have, I'm sorry, I forgot, we also have very, very famous and popular brand ambassadors who are part of this Aizawl International Half Marathon. Two of them are here, I can see. Sangi, thank you for coming, and Arami. The others could not come. We are having Mafeli, and we are having Frankie, and we are having one more. What is it? Rinzwala. So they are promoting and they are making excellent promotional videos, and they are promoting. So I would request you to kindly come together and let this be an event which everyone has to remember for a very long time, and let this Valentine's be special. Let love run free on the Valentine's Day. Thank you.
Thank you. Tuna champudu dua pulal duki masai logan so mga atlan tak lam ka ani nan soi se ani hi ka soi to ang kan Athletic Association kan president ani ba ka Usama kan president ani ya Athletic Federation of India thenga a ho tu zinga mi ani ya half marathon buat sai hi a lo zia tlan mai chu a har lawa tu na mi hi bip tenen kan tile aga de palang ani kha chip tenen kan tile vek donan tlan te kha kan te do na kha ho zong zong kha technical lam thil te kha in sai fe success thang pudu doi soma
chuma ding mai
ro
ka lo me ama sain Athletic Federation of India mingin chi bai ka buk chewa notice a hian chairman in om ve Mizopa in notice kan khalani tuna hian notice kan thui ni di kha kan press meet and hriat chakula kan dua so lai te chu thuk ma kan nei dua I marathon buat sai hi ati theih mai a har salowa taktu ba tlan ho kan tenga kan tlan mai theih ni har salo angina langa amaro chu federation hriat pui na kan tiang chi atlan tur hian khun rai ta atanga calendar in thun lu tura lo di lo in buat sai lo khangai thina chu mi tura tan chon nikum February nikum April tha kan buat sai khan nakum February ni som palia tlan kan tu mang kan tia tlan kan tu mang kan tia tang khan kan boi pui ta chara sarkar in thei to pachua abi takin kan sports minister in nasa takin federation kan ho tu te adora in Mizoram Athletic Association rang point thei to kan chua kan zawa in a department ang pon anianga thei pato kan chua vek mai ni ti chuan April ni so February ni som le palia tlan theina tur khan Athletic Federation of India khan recognition hamenon beta chu ba chuan Athletic Federation of India hian kan results hi an da lu tang ranking a khan lu thei don ta ni entinan Mizopa tlan lawmman la pha alo phei chuan ranking a khan lang ve thei dona chu lutna nia tlan satri ringot chu har salo amaro chu khalai process a kha avoi kha lai tak chu ani pakhata tin security thila na sa takin venna ulukanga ya achan chu Johnson point sang mi ti buai theina ang chi zong kha kan ven vek kan tuma tu tuma han khotlang salem veng nuite mail thum de ponianga an local council de pokan ngen to wi po lo chu lo turi kan ngen ani ama zana lo thum vek turin kan ngen thin ani ta chan chu tlan la wi na lo ti maya kha lo ve a tin hei tun han thil lo mom de chu PWD in kong asiam aron siam phei zela zo tre bin karinga e ku at man thei chuan a zo man thei chuan kong siam thara kan tlan do na nuam dom lu to kani tin upgrading a tha em mai ni Rajiv Gandhi Stadium tanga 0 point chu a chuka kan thria ti ngai na ong lo a chuka ni top mai ni chumi tanga 0 point na tanga converter na tu point 21.1 ho tlan an vain turn na tu rakha e Trinity Hospital than ma do sonia upgrade thi a tha em mai khovela mun dang ai ne dinga ya great tha hi tlangra ma hera ong em ti hi ka ngai tu hiala chu wang chuan alo mong ka ti a hetiang hun kan nei hi Aizawl kho pui chunga lamola tanga bong kon via thom pui kan zong na sal tuka root po kan nei amaro chu darkar thum chung vel Aizawl kho pui han ti block tok po ya kha kan ngam lo wa thil le mo emergency thila kan mol po kan habo wangin nikum a khuti long kon restart mewin kan tla na ma sa lo try em ya alo fian real box ya so wang zona tha tin adot le chun medical hi poi mo em ya tu de po kha tu sual thei trong tu chelo ba lung phu chol de po ni theia khateng engkim ka thleng thei ania marathon a hian chawang chon medical kha backup vehicle zong tenen ambulance tenen duty medical staff te nurse te kan ti ba ka khan NCC lama tangin a hmunah khan medical camp khan on kul don ani ta chon khum te omanga engkim mai immediate ni ta kha om thei do na chu wang chuan medical equipment lama po hin kan in buat sai thavia wa chu tiang turatan po chuan Mizoram sarkara kan health department kan ho tu ta point meeting in on tel pui thina tin nak tu ka hian mi committee pui nei le turani ya final decision kan siam thei do tur kan nga ya in traffic ke poi mo na chu wall bank road ania chimphei motor zong de to hela ma na lo tlan to khalo nia chu zingkara kan block do na thlathu nom du angrang khop maya amara chu lo thei lo ania i kum khat avoi khat thil thleng anga nia tin sarkar program poi mo nia bangin chung zong chu tu na hanin bo chaina kan zo to a voi ni han kan soidu le lo mo mai mem chu NCC ten and partnership kan an neya Mizoram police atang point tlan tu re ka mo sa tan ma uniform ha ho zi ga tang hian tu na kan thriat thei china hian sang khat zania tang sang khat zali vel kha tlan tur le volunteer tur kha anom to ani an ho tu ta kan li sanon thelu to chu ma chon uniform ha khan fu so ma an atlan te ko tlan vein kan ringa chu te vel bor chu ani ya tin kong sira motor lo in humang chi tele khatiang again i junction a lo ti boy thei thil zong thei tur kha security lam khan min clear sak do na chu atha ni kum lama khan thil thleng pakhat oma ni za thla lama te po ngai tai la mi pakhat in motor lo sila motor sil khan tlan ho kha athan hem ngai khan lo phu ve ngar me ten kha phalan ni lova achan chu sponging an tia atlan ha lai khan mi khan adu chon sponge a hu kha la nga ai ki hu thiang ani adu theia masa khatiang du me lo ranar kha om ve thei ni ta chu wan chon atra khan tlem thei ang ber bai te khan lo du chu wan chon khalai kha lo thanem lo ngai tuk lo tur a thil turin local council ho do de po ha kan nge na kan nui ha mam bo kan soi pain chu tiang vel bor chu ania Athletic Federation of India in Makanti chu mi sang khat le zanga in hinga Aizawl ko puin tlan tir thei tin ani kuma khan an tlan tir thei ta chu ania kuminah hana alle deu thot lam turin kan in buat sai dona kan ti thei ani ngat phei chuan federation a hian in Mizoram hian in nasa takin minda chung dung dona ni dikha hriat ta chu wa chuan min Mizoram Athletic Association of President kan inang pon sarkar chunga lom thu ka soya tin kan tlan dan tura khan nia kan tlan ru ta kha chu 0 point atanga Trinity Hospital kan ma kan kuala nga chu 21.1 khan ita kan lo le lenga 0 point a chite lei kan va thleng lo de wanga chu cha chu training point lo le anga training point atang chu te kan lo kuala nga 0 point atang ti hian Rajiv Gandhi Stadium hang kan lu dona kalkonga hian water point chocolate bar kan tiang chi tele medical duty ho kha an enge mo zat kha anom dona chung ho chu volunteering min puidon boka tin kan technical mi kan trained person ho Athletic Federation of India no certified person mizo zinga kan mi paruk in pum pui khan min vi do na ni ti lai ka kan soi du tin 21 kb ka kha 21.1 kb ka kha an bi pa khan chip om do na chip om do na chu GPS ne na in link tur ani ta ke chon line and cross che hian khumi up gate main gate a khonin ra tur khaten om ta thil eng hian an khuwa traffic ina hetia speed breaker an siam mang deuh hi ni om zia chu kan soi tiam da chon chumi an ra chia tang chon an time khain tran ta ke chon an tlan ta char chara route khan kha tlanem shortcut ta tlanem ti song song kha GPS khan la fek nga chon aron le anga chu ta chon as a finishing line khan chu ra tur bok chu aron rap le anga ta chon a time ki pa kha hun mana kha a hriat thi don ta automatic in ranking kha te khan ai update char don te na ni chu mi kha panga bo theng rol thot po ni se a theng ma sa zo GPS ina theng ma sa zo pati ang khan ranking kha te khan siam hal char result kha pon ha thai turangin kan ti do na ni ko ma po kan ti do a chuan abak 10k le 5k kha chu manually kan ti anga chan chu khol khana dai thei lowa starting point pathum bel khanga ya wangin kholina dai thei lowa chu tiang vela chu ania ia to ber kan soi du chu the father of modern Olympic anti baron de gobert na khanin Olympic hi kan soi ro pui thiam khopa not to win but to take part atiani so wachan chakrimot ni lovin part ron la ver u local ver u local ver u lotlan ver u di kha kan som du cheu nin zawa in kalome
lawmman kan du tok don nainga atop lam hi kan home minister hian ni ngemon soinga kan secretary engai soyang gatia ngai lowe tia ma ro chui nodal officer kan neya pu dolian boy hi which dolian boy kan joint secretary ania thu company khatal ani the train angai ro bo ani chuan e kan ti dana hi outsourcing ang dewin kan kalpuya a technical lam chu athletic association in an boy puya a organizing lam innovations india le an partner ten an boy puya laya chuanin anin akan pain thopian nei vele mak events lam event ti thang so lama so an thuboka ti chuan akini hi chu ti hianin e rail tu akan tanga ba hi chu anni ho hian an execute ta char ani home minister in ahun to pa phanga nga akharna chumi ma kan saitel du chu e nikuma khan kanrin pha bakin min local tha ta soi toin kapia Mizoram kan tlan reng chu athon ania athon ba ka to pa e tur le ti sat kan dong zia poi sa in seng so tlan turi an om hi karing lo zanga nom chon alomom viawang gatia sang khat zanga velania kuminah hianing zan nge lotel theidon kan threlowa lomom hle maya e chuti rual chuan e 10 nilo 5 nilo 21.1 kilometer tlan du 21.1 kilometer tlan du sum le pai har san na nei wanga tlan theilo turin om chuan e ke mai mo ka office ai mo inon in report don ne kan sainon lenge 21.1 kilometer tlan du katianga athlete e marathon tlan du tak tak sum le paya registration fee wanga har san inom chuan in lo kalanga intlan theinan kan lo ngai tu ang cheu khang hobby kha e 10 ti te 5 ti te khachu category dang dewania serious runner tak tak sum le paya wanga har san nei inom chuan kan lo puyang cheu ti chin kha ka soinga home minister in hun top mangro sele
kalome kan sport minister le sport lamakan officers te then Innovation India NCC tu te when a hun thatak kan ne ya lo mun phuk maya cái này tua mai chuanin thui de utlan khani maya ho viau ngena langa ne amara chu khovel hen lok lu de marathon half marathon he kan boy puyan ne tu na hianen khang nei thak ta kan khanen thui de kan tlan do na man choin paisa dam takan choi te pongai ani ome amaro chu hlute men na chu kan hriat ang khanen in ti siak na ani tela tin krisel na tan ani tela tin fitness tan ani tela physical fitness tan poi mo mema tin mimalina khovel a chau ve na tan hen apoimo personal challenge santia apoimo me mane chu khovelina an hlut chan po hian nia tin physical strength tatan mai ni loin mental strength tatan le mani inrin tok na tu thei tu ni e ti